Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys having a fabulous day wherever you are in the world. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. You are all highly appreciated. If you are new here, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This reading is not your personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Please remember to take what resonates and leave what doesn't. The energy of this reading could be reversal. For some of you guys, it could not be your story, and it could not be your energy. So please use your own discernment, okay? Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. What this Scorpio needs to know about love, money, career, business, and studies. Give me that accurate and clear reading, please. The past, the present, the future, and the outcome of this reading. What is going on with my fellow Scorpios? Is there any love interest for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? I would like to remind you guys that the energy of this reading could be reversal. If it is not your story and your energy, since this is not your personal reading, just leave it, okay? Let me see your card readings for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I hope you're doing well today wherever you are in the world with your family and loved ones. Let me see. Your first card is number 11, balance. You could be dealing with a person who was born on the 11th of the month. Could also be that this is your twin flame journey. 1111 is also harmony. It could also be that you are going to meet your twin flame. This is the right time for you to reunite with your twin flame. For some of you guys, I feel like you have balance in your life. It could also be that somebody here is gathering their strength to find balance in their lives. Could also that this person viewed you as their twin flame. Could also that this person wants to travel towards on you. It could also be that this person born on the 11th of the month. Could also be that somebody here viewed you as balance. If these are the past people, they want to give you balance. They want to harmonize the relationship between you and them, especially if you have grudges with them. Could be a Leo, or you have a Leo in your birth chart for some of you. Others of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing or attracting a person who is an animal lover, or you could be an animal lover. There could be a significant meaning for you with an animal here. It could also be that there could be a significant meaning for you with child or children in this reading. Could also be that somebody here has a previous child in their past relationship. Others of you, it could also be that this person find new balance in your life. There is harmony, and they viewed you that you are emotionally, mentally, and physically matured in all aspects of your life. It could also that this person viewed you as a marriage material. Others of you, it could also that there is a secret here being revealed. This is related to a child and a mother. This could also be the mother of your child, or you are the mother and you are dealing with your partner, and this person needs your support financially, or you are the one who needs a support from this person. Could be a Leo, could also be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Let me see. Your challenge here is the 9 of Earth. This is an Earth sign energy. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You could be dealing or attracting an Earth sign or a fire sign. Of course, not all of you. It could also be any other sign. I feel like somebody here is in crisis. They're experiencing like they are losing their home, or they're going to lose their home, their stability, their security. For whatever reason, I feel like this is the part of their karma for coming against you. Because this is your harvest season. You release this person or group of people in your life because you are tired and sick with their BS. Could also be a minimum of 9 people. This could be in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your partner, your ex, or in the community. For some of you guys, there could be a significant meaning for you with the number 999. You could be born on the 9 of the month. You could be born in 1999 or the person you are dealing with. Number 11 and number 9 is significant in this reading. 9119, 1111, 99 is significant in this reading. Please pay attention with this number, these synchronicities, this numerology. Could also be that somebody here in the past wishing you that you have nothing. They are praying for your downfall. That you don't have everything, you have no work, you have no money, you have no house. And I feel like it backfires on them. Because for most of you guys, you are innocent. You have balance in your life. You look, and somebody here is experiencing crisis. Could also that this is related to their relationship. They have crisis in relationship, in their family. I don't know what this is all about, because for some of you guys, you outshine them. These are their wishes. They tried to block your creativity, your work, your financial success, your legacy. It's because of jealousy and envy. An earth sign and a fire sign is involved here. Normally, this is the energy of Virgo and Leo. Or you have a Leo or Virgo in your birth chart, or you are dealing with a person who has a Virgo and Leo in their cusp. Could also be any other sign. Somebody here is miserable. You look, because this person could be losing everything in their lives. It's because of ecstasy, overindulgence, always partying, chasing thrills. Somebody here needs your support because this is your energy. You are balanced. You are abundance. When I say abundance, it's not related with only money. It is related to your energy. And you have balance. It could also that this person wants to heal the old wounds. He wants to harmonize the relationship between you and them if you have grudges. You have balance, and this person or group of people are now experiencing crisis in their lives. For whatever reason, because these are their wishes on you. It backfires on them because number 9 is release. If you are still clinging with this person or group of people, especially if you are still helping them, the universe advises you to release. This is not your problem anymore, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. You have done your work. Number 9 is a release. Don't engage with their karma because they have done something on you in the past. I don't know if you knew. And this is the part of their karma. They are wishing for your downfall. For some of these people, guys, they engage you to a black magic, cast spells, love spells, because they doesn't want you to succeed. Could also that these are the same people, a group of 9 people in the past. The power of 9 and the power of 11. And this is your challenge because somebody who needs your support. Somebody who is in crisis. I don't know what this is all about. Could be they needs your support financially, or they needs you as well, your emotional support. Somebody have betraying you, but you choose to be balanced. You choose to heal the trauma, the pain, the grudges, the chaos. And now I feel like somebody here needs your support, or you are the one who needs a support from this person. There could be a child involved here. Could be an earth sign or a fire sign. This is your challenge, remember. Could also be that they wants to travel towards on you because they wants to reconcile. They wants to return. They are feeling sorry of what they have done on you. That's why somebody here will travel towards on you. And it's up to you if you're going to forgive them and or to reconcile them, because I don't know your whole story. Forgiveness is important here in order for you to have an inner peace, and you don't want to block your blessings, right? But to reconcile with them, I don't know your whole story. But they're going to travel to you, maybe during winter season. Either during winter season or summer season. Take only what fits in your story. Let me see. Sorry, the universe advises you to listen to your intuition. Because there could be a significant meaning for you. Why this person is going to travel towards you. Why this person wants to return. And be very mindful, especially the past people. That's why you are advised to listen to your inner voice. To your body. Let me see. Your spiritual lesson here is, this is initiation. I told you, major arcana number 2. There could be a significant will happen in your life during the second of the month, or it could also be that you are dealing with a person who was born in the second of the month. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 222. This is related to your alignment of your purpose. This is related to your soulmate, partnership. I feel like you are advised to take a leap of faith, or you did. For some of you guys, you are scared to take a leap of faith because you don't want to get out from your comfort zone. I know it because Scorpio is a fixed sign. This is the advice from the Divine Most High that you need to take a leap of faith, to trust yourself, to believe in yourself, to trust the path, because you have lots of infinite potential here. Everything is open for you. This is, the powerful new beginning of your life. Initiation is just like the Fool. This is the time where you have unlimited ideas, potential ideas, and that's why you are advised to trust yourself, that you can create something. Instead of staying in your comfort zone, you are advised to get out from your comfort zone. It could also be that for some of you, you already did. You already took a leap of faith. And there are people who doesn't want you to change. It could also be that there are people who wants you to be like them. That you will remain the old you. Because they want you to be like them. They doesn't want you to change. Because they knew that when you are going to change, you leave them behind. It could also be that they are bothering on you. The universe advises you to release this person or group of people. An Aquarius is involved here. You could be dealing or attracting an Aquarius, or you have an Aquarius in your birth chart for some of you. An earth sign or a fire sign. Not necessary. For some of you guys, you are no longer communicating with them anymore. You are tired and sick with their BS. It could also that they mess you up, and that's why you cut them off out of your life. And you don't care if there are sufferings. Look, because you are no longer engaging your energy. You end up this cycle. This is over. This is a powerful new beginning of your life. But there are people who couldn't let you go. Take only what fits in your story. For some of these people, guys, their guilt eating them alive. Let me see your past situation. The Tree of Fire. It could also be that somebody here wants to take a rest towards on you because somebody here wants to travel, right? Could be during summer or during winter. This is a fire sign energy, Tree of Fire. You could be dealing or attracting a group of 3 people and they wants to collaborate with you, or these are the past people who are coming against you for whatever reason because of jealousy and envy. It could also be that these are the same people who wants to collaborate with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. For some of you guys, you are advised to be very mindful, especially if these are the past people. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 333. You could be born on the 3rd of the month. You could be 33 years old, or you are dealing with this person. 333 is significant as well in this reading. This is related to your creativity. The universe advised you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, that you are divinely guided at the end of the tunnel. This is through your journey. That's why you are advised to trust your path, to take a leap of faith, to trust yourself, to believe in yourself, and to trust the process of the Divine Most High. Because you have an infinite potential. You look, these are the lights. You are divinely guided. It could also be that this person is enlightened by you. Could also be that you have a platform in social media and your content is related to enlightenment, related to healing journey. A fire sign is involved here. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and Aquarius, or an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. It could also that this person needs your guiding light because somebody is in the crisis. I don't know what they have done in their lives. Somebody here is experiencing turbulence, chaos in their lives. That's why somebody here wants to return towards on you, to take a rest, even though they knew that they have no chance, but they are, taking a risk. They will going to travel during winter or summer. An earth sign, a fire sign is involved in the situation, and or an Aquarius. For some of you guys, I feel like this person viewed you as a healer, or in the past they are triggered with your lights because you could be the catalyst of their lives. And you met this person in your life because you are going to awaken them. Somebody who is enlightened by you. Could also be that these are the group of people in the past. A group of 3 people who are coming against you now. They want to support you. For some of these people, they want to support you because they have seen your abundance. You look, and somebody has, you look, in crisis situation. Could also be related to their health. They have a poor health. Because I feel like in the past, they sent negative energy on you. This is black magic. This is the result, the karma of what they have done on you. That's why somebody here wants to apologize, to return, and if possible, to reconcile with you. You look, they wants to heal the old wounds between you and them. An Aquarius, a fire sign, and an earth sign is involved here. Let me see. Your present situation is number 7, ancestors. There could be a significant meaning for you with number 777. You could be born. You look, in 1977, you could be born on the 7th of the month of you are dealing with this person. I don't know what this is all about. Could also that these are the group of 7 people. Could also that this person viewed you as their twin flame. I feel like this person created chaos in your life. It's because of, there could be a generational inheritance here. Could also be that this person is feeling entitled to this windfall or lump sum of money. Could also that this person viewed you as their twin flame because there could be, a past life connection. They view you that both of you are twin flame. There could be a past connection, past life connection here, and this cycle is repeated because somebody had never learned their lesson. This person could be a Gemini, could also be a Leo, a Virgo, an Aquarius, fire sign, earth sign is involved in this situation, and an air sign, Gemini and or Aquarius. It could also that this person viewed you that you are either the soulmate or the twin flame because there could be a telepathic communication between you and them. It could also that this person put you in a third party situation. It doesn't matter which sign. It could also that there is a temptation here. If you are married, be very mindful because there could be a temptation here. Could also that when you are going to meet this person is no longer free, and somebody here needs to make an important decision in their lives, either you or the person you are dealing with. Let me see. The future here is the goddess, the witch of water. This is your energy. This is like the high priestess. You are, pregnant of many ideas. For some of you guys, this is related to your love. You have lots to offer to this world. That's why you are in this energy. You are embodied the energy of the witch of water. You are advised here as well to, to express your sensuality. Could also that this person is strongly attracted on you. Could be a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Not necessary. Could also be a Gemini, an Aquarius, a fire sign, and an earth sign is involved in the situation. I feel like this person wants to explore your deepest emotion, or you are the one to them. Somebody here is, could be shy and they couldn't express their feelings, especially their attraction towards you. But this person is strongly attracted on you. Could also that this person loves you. Could also that this person wants to celebrate with you. This person wants to support you. Others of you guys, it could also be that there is pregnancy here, or this person wants you to be pregnant with a child. If you are single, available and negotiable. Because they viewed you as a marriage material. You are very loving and nurturing person. This is what this person perceive you. Could be a water sign. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Could also be that this person is like you, both of you having an emotional intelligence. Could also be that both of you having the same experience, a painful experience in the past. Both of you having the control of your own emotion because you matured emotionally. You know why? The past painful experience taught you to be emotional matured. This is like emotional intelligence. And this person viewed you that you can understand their feelings. Could also that he wants to tell you about the lives. I don't know what this is all about. Could be a water sign. And this is the future energy. This is also the advice from the Divine Most High to express your sensuality. Maybe you are not expressing, you are not ready to. This is like you need to be open to accept because you are capable to love and to be loved. Let me see. Your attitude here is, sorry, the 5 of fire. This is a fire sign energy. Somebody is abusing their power. Could be a fire sign. This is the energy of Leo. Or it could also be a group of 5 people who are, who are influential person and they are abusing their power for coming against you. This could be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Normally, this is the energy of a Leo or a minimum of 5 people. There could be a significant meaning to you with the number 555. You could be born on the 5th of the month. You could be 55 years old or the person you are dealing with. For some of you guys, this is a change. Remember, somebody is experiencing crisis because they're abusing their power. Somebody is losing their security, their stability because they're abusing their power, and they wants to travel towards on you because they needs your support or to harmonize the situation. A Leo is involved here. Virgo, because this is the energy of Virgo and Leo. Could also be a fire sign, an earth sign. An Aquarius, Gemini is involved here. A water sign as well. I don't know because there are lots of energy here. This is not your personal reading. That's why I said take what resonates. Because this is not for all of you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This is not for everybody. Somebody here abusing their power. Either you or the person you're dealing with. I don't think that this is your energy. If you are on the right path, this is your readings. Oh my God, somebody doesn't want me to speak out. Oh my gosh. It could also be that this person losing their spotlights. Maybe you are dealing with a person who is in the public eye and they viewed you as the treat. That's why somebody here in the past wants to dim your lights because they're triggered with your lights. I don't know. Or this person now is losing their spotlight, losing their power, losing their supporters because they're abusing their power. Could be a Leo. Could also be a collaboration, a group of 5 people. Could also that you are dealing with a person who is attention seeker and egotistical. Could also be that because of jealousy and envy, that's why they did this to you. For some of you guys, you are innocent. Let me see. The outside influence is the 5 of earth. This is greediness. Somebody here is greedy. Somebody here wants to have all and everything. You look at this picture. They doesn't want to share. Even the, what do you call this? Even the bones, they want to take out. Because this person is greedy. This person is selfish. They only wants to have them all. It could also that they only wants to have me. A Virgo or a Leo. Because these other cards come out here. You look. Could also be that they're abusing their power because they are not satisfied with what they have. And they viewed you as a treat. That's why they want to have your power. They want to have what you have. Because for most of these people, guys, they are lazy. They are only partying, drinking. That's all they can do because they doesn't want to work and they want to have your stability. The ones they are feeling entitled to your legacy if this is in your family. The ones your money. The only ones to have your financial matters. They don't care because this is greediness. A Leo and a Virgo is involved here. Could also be a minimum of 5 people or you look 5 of earth and 5 fire. It could also be a collaboration, a group of 5 people is equals to 10. For some of you, this is a closure. This is over. You are no longer engaging your energy to them. That's why they are sacrificing. Could also be that they are going to lose their home. Because these are their wishes on you. They want to take everything from you. They did everything to throw you under the bus by all means. This is not literally, this is metaphorically. And that's why they are experiencing now because of greediness. A Virgo, a Leo is involved here. Let me see. Your hopes and fears is the witch of fire. I told you. These are the snakes. That's why when they are going to approach you, either during winter or during summer, be very mindful from the past people. Because they are not the way you say they are. You look, the only ones to bluff you, they are the snakes. Could be a Virgo, a Leo, because these are the cards before the witch of fire. You look, a Virgo and a Leo involved here. A water sign, an Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio is involved here. That's why be very mindful, especially the people from the past. But normally this is a fire sign. A Leo and a Virgo is the main character in this reading. It could also be that the other sign is only collaboration. They are collaborating each other against you. Can you imagine how powerful you are? They are collaborating against you to dim your lights. Because they are triggered. You are the mirror and mirror never lies. Now, they are experiencing what? Negative energy descent on you. That's why for some of these people, guys, they want to apologize. Because they are now receiving the karma. The karma is now beginning. The begins. Karma begins. Your last reading is, my title is The Karma Begins. And one of these, their karma is now, you look, they are miserable. Their surroundings are foggy. They doesn't know what to do. They are distorted. Because these are the wishes on you. That's why the universe advises you to release. 5 is 10. This is the time for you to change. And don't engage your problem to them. Because you look, be very careful of manipulation here. You are advised to find the gold in the dark. To find the gold in the dark is to know the truth. Be very mindful, especially you need to listen to your intuition, especially if this person or group of people will come back from the past. Be very mindful because they are wearing a false mask. Could also be that this person, this woman, could also be a female, could be a female fire sign, not necessarily, could also be a male, or they are collaborating with a switch. This person did black magic on you. This person having a negative, dark energy. For whatever reason, they did black magic, cast spells, love spells because of jealousy and envy. And now, everything backfires. They are now walking like, you look at these animals on the snow, walking through the coldest snow. Because for some of these people, guys, they are experiencing, hardship in their lives. I don't know what they have done on you because everyone is different. The universe advises you to listen to your intuition. Others of you, it could also, this is your energy. You are advised to continue what you love. This is related to your passion. Others of you, it could also be that this person viewed you as passionate and driven. Could also be a new person and they are strongly attracted on you. Could also be that they want to start a passionate relationship with you, but this is not a real deal. This is only a bluff. This is only a fling, a one-night stand, an adventure. Be very mindful. A fire sign is involved here. Could be Leo, Aries, Sagittarius, I don't know. Or this person wants to seduce you, wants to tempt you. Could also that they are using their black magic. Could also be, they are doing love spells. This is related to your chakra, because they want you to fall with them. Because they are now, their lives are falling apart. Could be a Leo. Could also be a Virgo, an Aquarius, Gemini, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio is involved here as well. I don't know. That's why the universe advises you to listen to your intuition. Let me see the outcome here is the World. I told you, this is over. Everything is over. Goodbye, my love. Goodbye. But for them, it's not over because they need your support. You know why? They need to clear up everything because they are now, they are now receiving the karma. The karma hits them hard. And that's why they couldn't let you go. And that's why their guilt eating them alive. You look, one of their karma is they have a foggy, they are distorted, their mind is not clear. For some of these people, they are losing their job, they are losing their relationship. They are going to experience, a painful situation because these are all their wishes on you. They engage you to black magic, witchcraft, voodoo, rituals. And that's why it backfires on them because for most of you guys, you are innocent. Whoever did this to my collectives and my fellow Scorpio and me, shame on you. I will return the negative energy you sent to us. To my fellow collectives, Scorpio. Return back to sender all the negative energy in the name of the Divine Most High. So might it be. That's all they can do, doing black magic, love spells, because they are so desperate. You look, they are distorted, their lives are falling apart. And they have no clarity in their lives while you are balanced. This is your first card, balance. And this person or group of people believe that by doing black magic, they can knock you down. And in the end, they are the one who received the negative energy they sent to you. Whoever you are, shame on you. You cannot send a negative energy to somebody else because we are interconnectedness. Whatever the negative energy you send to somebody else, it will backfire on you because we are interconnectedness, especially if that person is innocent. And that's why they are now, you look, their vision are foggy. They doesn't know what to do. They are confused. Because these are all the ones from you, for you. That you have a mental disorder, that you will be confused. They engage you to a dark witch or the other one who did this to you. Now they have no security while you are being protected here. You look, you are being protected here with an animal spirit. You look, and this person, a group of people don't have protection, and that's why their lives are falling apart. They are just like this group of animals walking through the snow. They doesn't know what to do. They are confused. Their surroundings are foggy. This is the outcome. This is over. There is an ending here because there is a powerful new beginning. That's why the universe advises you not to engage with their problems because everything is over. This is not your problems anymore. Let them face their own consequences. The pain they created on you, the chaos. It could also that you are dealing with a perfect sun in the zodiac, Aquarius, Leo, Taurus, and fellow Scorpio. If this is a new person, they wants to be the part of your new beginning. If this is the past people, this is over. You cut them off out of your life. You said goodbye. You are tired and sick with their BS. Others of you, this is a culmination, the complete integration of yourself and the world around you. There could be an assured success here. This is the feeling of euphoria. Yeah, look. Because you choose to heal and to be happy. There could be an illumination here of all the things hidden in the dark. There could be a child involved here. A mother and a child. I don't know what this is all about. A pregnancy, surrogacy, parenthood, marriage. This is over. This is like you are ascended into a higher frequency. You cannot go back to this person or group of people because this person or group of people have sent the truth, but for some of these people, guys, they are like stupid. Knowing the truth, seeing the truth, but still believing the lies. And they will not accept the consequences of their action. You cannot go back to them. You cannot go back to the low vibes, energy draining vampires who are still feeding their egos because they don't want to accept the consequences of their action. It could also that you are going to travel or somebody will travel towards on you. If this is your energy of traveling, just leave it because this is not your personal reading. Somebody commenting, oh, I will not travel. This is not my reading. Of course, this is not for all Scorpios. I said, always take what resonates. But there is a traveling involved here or somebody here wants to travel towards on you. It could also that this person is ending up the karmic ties, the karmic situation. Could also that this person wants to be the part of your new beginning. Could also be these are the 4 fixed sign in the zodiac, either Aquarius, Leo, Taurus, or fellow Scorpio. Could also be any other sign. A water sign is involved here, a fire sign, an earth sign, and an air sign. This is the end, and this is a powerful new beginning. An illumination here. And everything is clear for you because this is the closure. You did it. Clarify me, Father, why? Why the world in this reading? Please tell me more about the world. Or you could be dealing with a person who was born in the first of the month. This person could also be, viewed you as their twin flame, 1111. For some of you, this is related to your balance. It is clarified as hopeless. I told you, this is the clarification of the world. For you, this is over. This person or group of people are hopeless. Their lives are sinking. Their lives are falling apart because their guilt eating them alive. Because this is the part of their karma for engaging you to a black magic, witchcraft, voodoo, love spells, cast spells. The 4 fixed sign in the zodiac are involved here. Aquarius, Leo, Taurus, and a fellow Scorpio. A water sign, an earth sign, an air sign, and a fire sign. Normally, more on Leo and Virgo in this reading. Clarify me, Father, why balance in this reading? Please tell me more. It is clarified as finality. I told you. Because you prioritize the tranquility of your surroundings, and that's why you have balance, you have harmony. You are no longer engaging with these low vibes, energy draining vampires who cause too much pain and burdens in your mind and in your heart. This is over. Double confirmation, you leave them behind. Goodbye, Pelesia. You look the world and finality. That's why they are feeling hopeless. Because you leave them in confusion. Because you are tired and sick with their BS. For some of these people, guys, you give a warning. You said, please don't do this to me. But they are still doing this to you. Maybe you give them a warning 3 times or many times. But they are still doing. And now, you look hopeless, sinking. Their lives are falling apart. But you don't care. You have a powerful new beginning. For you, this person or group of people aren't exist in your life. If they want to come back, you can forgive them. Reconciliation, I don't know. Because I don't know your story. Everyone is different. Why ancestors here in this reading? Silence, frozen, no words, stone wall. I told you, they viewed you as frozen and cold. That you don't care. Because they are the one who started to dim your lights. And that's why you have learned your lesson. But it doesn't mean that you are cold. You are no longer vulnerable to them because you lost your trust. And I fully understand. Why the witch of fire here, please? Witch of water, sorry. I told you, this person is so better. You look, because of what they have done on you and it didn't work. Their cast spells, love spells, black magic backfires on them. And they are so bitter, so angry. Whoever you are, shame on you. A water sign is involved here. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. An air sign, a fire sign, an earth sign. Clarify me, Father, why the witch of fire here? Twin flame. This person viewed you as their twin flame. Could also be a fake, a karmic twin flame. Because there are people who will say, oh, you are my twin flame because you're already cutting off the access of this person in your life. And now they will claim that you are their twin flame. Could be a Leo, or you have a Leo in your birth chart for some of you. It could also be any other sign. Oh my gosh. Clarify me, Father. Why the 5 of fire here? It is clarified as chasing. Oh, these are the player. They are playing mind games on you. They played you until they push you through the limits. And that's why you said goodbye. Because you don't engage with the low vibes, energy draining vampires. This person could be a Leo. Could also that they are losing their spotlight. Could also be a group of 5 people who are collaborating. Could also that they are using their influences or they have an influence. And they're abusing their power. If you have platform in social media, could also that they are using their influence, they are using, to block your work. Could also that they are engaging you to a hacker in the net. Could also that they are paying in order for you to stop your work. They are abusing the power and now it backfires on them. Not only that, they engage you to a black magic, witchcraft, voodoo. And that's why I fully understand their lives are falling apart, they're hopeless. And they said that you are cold because you are no longer engaging your energy to them. You said goodbye. Now they are experiencing crisis. They are walking like through the snow. They doesn't know what to do. Their mentality is foggy. They have no clear vision because that's all they want for you. These are the cause of their black magic. It backfires on them. And they believe that you are going to chase them. No, you are not chasing. You are attracting people. We don't chase people. We don't chase rabbits in the La La Land anymore. That ends your readings for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if this resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you for joining me once again. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.